Alright, so to convert this fraction into decimal, we just have to divide the numerator by the denominator. It will be like this. Our numerator is 2 and the denominator is 5. That will be our divisor. So now, divide. Since you cannot divide 2 by 5 with a whole number, what you need to do is to add decimal point and a 0. So it will look like 20. Then this decimal point, you just have to copy it above and proceed in division. 20 divided by 5, that will be 4. 20. Subtract. 20 minus 20, that's 0. So it means your answer is 0.4. So we'll have 0.4. And since there is no whole number, we may just write 0. So we have 0.4 as the decimal form of 2/5. Let's try another one. 3 over 20. So just divide 3 by 20. Let's see. 3 inside, and then the denominator will be your divisor, 20. 3 divided by 20, again we will add decimal point and 0. This decimal point, you may copy it above. So it's like 30 divided by 20, you'll have 1. 1 times 20, that's 20. And subtract. 30 minus 20, you'll have 10. Since we still have a remainder, we may add another 0. And bring down 0. So we'll have 100. And 100 divided by 20, that will be 5. 5 times 20, that's 100. Then subtract. 100 minus 100, 0. So we got 0.15. And we may just add again 0 here. So we have 0.15. Next, what if we have mixed number? We'll still be doing the same. We will just be converting this 7 over 8 into decimal first before we can use this whole number. So 7 over 8, that will be 7 inside and 8 outside. Alright, add decimal point and 0. So 70 divided by 8, that will be 8. Okay, so 8 times 8 is 64. Subtract. 70 minus 64, you will have an answer of 6. We may again add another 0. Bring down 0, so we got 60 divided by 8, and that is equal to 7. Then continue. 7 times 8, that's 56. Subtract. 60 minus 56, we got 4. We may add another 0. It's up to you until how many 0 you can find if you still have remainder. Or you may just round it off. So, bring down 0. We'll get 40. 40 divided by 8, that's 5. 5 times 8, that's 40. Subtract 0. So, no more remainder. Our answer, it means, is 0.875. So, let's write 0.875. Now, since we have a whole number here, we will use this 2 as the whole number of our answer also. So we got 2.875.